Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I got this hair sticking in the wrong place. In today's video, I'm doing an update on these clip-ins. I've had them for nearly a year now and they are still kicking. I'm still getting uses out of them, and I just want to give you guys an update and show you guys how I got this style. I'm feeling very sexy. I love when my hair is big like this. It's like it activates something in me. I just feel like I want to ride with the windows down and be sexy. I don't know. If you want to hear my year update on these clip-ins from Curlsqueen, stay tuned, keep on watching, and we can get on into it. Today we're starting on freshly co-washed hair that's been detangled but will probably need to be detangled some more. I'm taking off this front section of hair, and this will be part of the flip over portion of the clip-ins. I am gonna just pull this to the front, and once that's all sectioned off to the front, I'm gonna section off the back because I don't like when hairs get intertwined. I need that to be in the back and this to be in the front. And in the meantime, while I'm adding my clip-ins, I thought I should just do a little 2-strand twist to get this out my face, and that's what I did. A little 2-strand, nothing crazy. And it's not nothing, you know, fancy. It looks like it took me 2 minutes, and it did. So once you get those 2-strand twists in the front, we can go ahead and work on the back. And I went ahead and sectioned off my hair in 2 sections. I got 2 braids I'm going to do for under the clip-ins. And of course, like I said, it was detangled, but not enough probably. So let's detangle it some more before we throw in a really sloppy braid. For me, I don't know how to braid that well. This is supposed to be an easy, quick style, so easy and quick you get. 2 braids, bam. Are they the best braids you've ever seen? Probably not. But did they get the job done? Absolutely. So as you braid, detangle the ends of your hair. I have some products in my hair, probably just the Elongate Me or the Taraji Henson Smooth Me. That'll probably be what's in my hair at this point. And once I get that braid done, it's time to do the second braid, and bow. Braid is done. Wasn't that easy, simple? Let's pin those braids on up so they don't interfere with anything else. A little bit of specs for the clip-ins. These are the Water Jerry Curly in 18 inches. You get 2 10-inch wefts, 2 9-inch wefts, 2 7-inch wefts, 2 4-inch wefts, and 2 3-inch wefts. I love these clip-ins. They can be washed, conditioned, cut, any other style you can think of with natural hair. These clip-ins can do. I mean to flatter on these, but I just haven't had the chance, and every time I wear them curly and out, like, I've loved them. So I do have to see about, you know, how heat works on them. But as of now, I've had, oh, by the way, I said a year in the intro. It's been 10 months. Practically a year, but not exactly. These are the 4-line clip-ins. This is my 3rd set right here. And I'm experiencing some fullness already, feeling like this is my hair already. Or like the 18 inches because it's really natural. I mean, people think this is my hair. People was on my story like saying they was bald-headed, and I was like, girl, me too. These is clip-ins. So really unclockable. I am a big fan of the clip-ins, and I've been wearing them pretty on and off for the 10 months. And they have had little wear and tear, you know, minimal shedding, but that's to be expected with clip-ins or any curly hair for that matter. And yeah, I'm really a big fan. So hope you guys can get a chance to try these ones out and enjoy them as much as I do. But once I've sufficiently done my U shape, and right when it gets to go straight, I'm going to go to the side and a little bit diagonal. Just hope that overall flip over look, I really want it to look seamless, and I want it to blend with my curls as much as possible. These are also a 3C 4A texture, I believe, and they match so well. One thing I will say later on, make sure you're doing your due diligence blending your actual curls in with them, because you know it can give 2 textures. But I'll show you guys my way of doing it in just a second. Let me do this last little clip right here. This is the last 2-piece clip, and I put that towards the front, but kind of, you know, I wanted it to be flipped. And at this point I have a full head of hair, very natural looking. Looks like I was born with this, and I'm so ready to get my hair out and complete the look. Let's complete the fantasy. And now I got a little clip. I wanted to disturb the curls as little as possible using the clip, and that's what I did. Now it's time to take out this little 2-strand I had going on, and as you can see, my hair is a little bit more brown than the clip-ins, but I think when you use a gel and a heavy cream product, it is easier to make it look just the tiniest bit darker and match it seamlessly. So a little bit of water, and like I said earlier, I'm using my Elongate Me by Lotta Body. I'm loving this product recently because my hair feeling so moisturized and soft at the same time with a little bit of hold. So yeah, just working that through my hair, slowly, you know, trying to be intentional, not grab any hair from the back and mess any of the curls up. On the hair itself, I have a little bit of this frizz product by Chi. I'll have that down below. I don't know the name of it off the top of my head. And that kept the frizz down on the curls in the back for the clip-ins, but not much is needed, honestly. The curls themselves are really nice, and I'm sure like the less product, the easier it is to match up with your hair, instead of just having hella product on your natural hair and very little product on the clip-ins. That makes sense. I'm going through my Denman brush and brushing them, make sure my curls are defined, and also going like a certain direction. Once those are all brushed out and I feel like, okay, I'm seeing it all come together, it's about that time for a nice holding gel. And this time I'm going to use the Aunt Jack, after I wipe my hands, I'm going to use the Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Curling Jelly. And I'm going to put a little bit of that on the edge hairline just to be able to smooth that on back, because frizzy hairline ain't all that's cracked up to be. I ain't made it that far. I ain't elevated that far yet, but maybe one day. In the meantime, I'm trying to get these curls on hold as well, putting a little bit of that gel on the hair and scrunching it up, a little scrunch motion. And this pretty much wraps up everything until it's time for baby hair. And yeah, for right now, like even as it's just white and kind of, you know, you can tell the hairs in the front, I can just already see the vision. Pulling out the baby hairs, using my comb and the wig grip gel from ORS. Love this stuff still, and this will add like supreme hold to the baby hair and, you know, the hairline. So y'all know me, I say it every video, my baby hair ain't something to go into. I don't like floating mystery baby hair. They need to have a direction. So that's me getting that direction together using that ORS grip gel and a little bit on the edges, the hairline, sorry, to push that back and really smooth everything down. But we're really wrapping it up here now. I think this took me about 30 minutes to do, which is like lightweight time compared to installing a wig or even doing your own hair. If I was just slick my hair back, it would probably take me like 15 probably, but I wouldn't have had this full head of hair that I don't have usually, right? So sideburn baby hair complete. Let's move on. I'm doing a little bit of mousse and a little bit of a prayer hand motion, and this is the motion that I was speaking of earlier that would just help. See, when my hair dried, it was just a little bit too defined, and had I done like a little prayer hand motion on the front of my hair, a little bit of that shine could dull away and really match the hair. So I recommend that if you use the gel, just a little bit of oil on your hands and a little prayer motion on your leave out to just soften it up a little bit and really get to match. I think that would have really sealed everything off. But even with, you know, super gelled up front, it looked super natural, looked like my hair. I was getting compliments on my hair all night when I went out, and I'm just really proud of the outcome. I look very sexy, as you heard me say earlier. This is the final look, a little bit of slow-mo action, a little bit of stills for you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and look into these clip-ins. Like I said, it's been 10 months and I really enjoyed them. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys can check out the link in my description box to check those out, and follow me, like the video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful.